Hi you guys, welcome to a new video. I am in my closet today because I was really just getting dressed and I didn't feel like leaving it, so I was like, why not? Okay. Plastic drawers and all. So let's get to it though. I got this little, what is it, a pony during COVID because there was nothing else to get. And I was like, I'm going to pick a ponytail, which I wouldn't usually pick a ponytail. I only love wigs, but I picked this one. So it is the Curls and Kinks Rainmaker, and I got it in 1B. And that's what that looks like. It has a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. And, okay, so I've said this in a previous video, I have really short hair because I have a shorter cut hairstyle. Long at the top, short at the bottom, but it was very easy to put this on. I did put a couple bobby pins in it just to make sure it doesn't come out. But if you can see, I like it. It's actually cute. It like reminds me of like when I was a kid and my mom used to put my hair up like this. But all in all, goodbye. I think I paid $10 for it. I'll put the exact price in the description box. But this one right here is an excellent, excellent, excellent find. So if you see this, pick it up. And I think don't quote me where I got it because I super shop. So where I got it, I will post in the link below. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe or the like. And I will see you guys in the next video. Probably not in my closet, or maybe. Bye.